Okay, just a quick video because I'm about to open the box to my new phone that just arrived this morning. As you can see, I've already got the Armor 9 with FLIR thermal imaging camera. Now, I got this phone about 2 months ago, and within that time frame, a new phone has came out which has got night vision. So this should be the Armor 11 5G rugged smartphone. Now, it's just arrived today. I actually ordered it on February the 20th. Now, this was before the phone was even released. So the seller that sold me this actually jumped the gun because it wasn't actually released until about March the 10th. There weren't even pre-orders being taken until March the 10th. So I had my order in way in advance. So I'm a little concerned because I've ordered from a seller that had no feedback, no sales history. They were the first person selling it. The official company wasn't even selling the phone. So I thought I'd do this video really quickly just to see if it's actually the handset that I've ordered. Because I've ordered things before from China and been sent something completely different to what I ordered, and then usually because they've already sent it by some form of registered post, you don't tend to have a leg to stand on when it comes to chasing it up. But I've ordered from a site that protects my purchase, so I just really want to see if it's actually the Armor 11 that I've ordered. And if it is, then I'll be doing some more videos having a play around with the handset. And the thing that really drew me to this particular handset is the night vision camera. So, moment of truth. Am I actually going to get what I've ordered? No idea what this is. This was in the package. So I'll have a look at this in a minute. And oh, that might be my wireless charger, because I ordered the Armor 11 with wireless charger. So nothing else in the box. 2 items in the box. So and I've been waiting over a month to get this. Ordered February the 20th, and today is March the 6th. Alexa, what's the date? So, yeah, been waiting over a month. Cancel. So, moment of truth. Is this actually going to be the Armor 11 with with night vision camera? It is. It's the Armor 11 5G with night vision camera. So